to listen to that. What was me, baby? This is tragic. We had it. We was magic. I was flying, now I'm crashing. This is bad, real bad, Michael Jackson. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have an exciting video for you guys. It's exciting because I have celebrity hairstylist in the building. Queen's maid is going to slay my hair and I'm so excited. Come on, say hi, Joe. Hi guys. So Queen is going to slay my hair and I'm so excited. I'm just going to let you guys just watch while she does her magic on me. Okay guys, so initially this was supposed to be a talk through video, but we ended up talking too much and all over the place that I decided to just make this a voiceover instead. So here I just put the hair on my head. She has already bleached it, tinted it, plucked the frontal, all the customization. She already did that before she came over to my place. So right now she's just brushing the hair. Guys, this hair is from Alipearl. I get a lot of people asking me what's my favorite hair vendor to purchase from, and it is Alipearl. I've tried like 2 different hair textures from them and they are by far the best hair company I've tried so far. So right now she's just cutting up the excess lace and measuring my hairline to make sure that the lace, the frontal is no longer down, it's not past my ears. Guys, like I said, this was supposed to be a talk through video, so hence why you're going to see me talk throughout this video. So please, I don't want to hear any comments of, oh, this girl did a talkative, blah blah blah. You know, watching this video, I actually realized that it's not easy for a model to sit down for hours and not talk, because when I see comments in the comment section of videos where I make clients up, people always say, oh, this person is a talkative. It's not easy. You can't just sit there mute for hours, okay? So here she just used the what's it called, the Bold Hold Active. Here I am drinking Baileys. That is the only alcoholic drink on the face of this earth that I love. Baileys ice cream, amazing drink. You're going to see me take a few sips, so please don't judge. So she's just using the Bold Hold Active. She did 3 layers, and after she made sure it was dry, right here she's about to start pulling the frontal down after it has dry clear. Not dry completely, guys, dry clear. So you can see she just put it down now. So she does her section by section. So she started in the middle before she went to the sides. Guys, I did a class with Queenette and I am so excited for my skills because I actually want to start doing hair professionally. So I'm still brushing up, making sure that I get really good at this thing before I start doing it on people. So watch out, guys. Queen is my mentor, so you already know that I'm not going to disappoint her because she's like a frontal slayer. Like, I don't joke with her work. Her work always gives me joy. And this is not a HD frontal, because usually she sells HD frontals. She sells hairs, guys, actually, and she sells HD frontals. So this was not a HD frontal, and she was able to slay the life out of this hair like this because she only ever installs hair with her frontals, but she made an exception for me, her sweetheart. And it came out flawless. Like, I was so, like, I carried this hair for like 3 weeks. It's the hair I had in my YouTube boot camp. It's the hair I had in a couple of other things, and everybody kept asking me, where'd you get this hair from? Like, it's really good. Like, I highly recommend Alipearl. Alipearl, the original Alipearl, not all those plenty different people that say that Alipearl and AliExpress. I'm going to leave a link to their websites so you guys will check them out. I'm also going to leave a link to the very first Alipearl hair that I tried on in the description box down below. It was a curly hair and it was bomb. I still have it till today. So I'm talking so you guys can just be watching, but basically, yeah, she's just doing the same thing. It's pretty much self-explanatory, but I'm just gisting you guys to be keeping you company as you're watching this video. I was actually about to do a photo shoot when she came to do my hair, so I decided to just film it. I was doing the photo shoot for my master class flyers. I wanted to put out the flyers for my upcoming masterclass in Lagos, Ghana, and the Gambia. So I needed pictures taken. So hence why I went all out with this slay. I'm pretty much going to just fast forward this thing a bit because it's a bit repetitive. The same way she did the middle part is the same way she did the other parts. So after she has finished laying the whole hair down, she took the part that she wanted to use for baby hairs, which is what she's doing right now, and she cut it before laying the hair down. After laying it down, she used the hot comb. Guys, this is how scared I was. Like, this thing freaks me out like crazy. Like, I was so scared. She wasn't burning me or anything, but the fear, man. I was so freaking scared. Oh my god, look at my face, man. I'm like, don't burn my face, so I never marry, I beg. Oh my god. So yeah, after she used the hot comb to press it down like so, she went ahead to tie it with her scarf, with a scarf. You guys can see Queen's Main anti-professional. She gives every client a Queen's Main scarf to tie down, so that when you want to tie your hair down before you go to bed, so you use it. So now she just went ahead to curl my hair using a hot comb. I've never worn my hair like this before. Like, this was a new look for me. Like, when I uploaded it on Instagram, a friend of mine was like, she has never seen me do a hair, because side part is my hair. Like, that's my hairstyle right there. I'm not really big on middle part. I don't think it suits me, but side part here, that's me right there. So I always have a very high hump in front. So she'll never see me do something like this, that it looks better on me than the really high hump. What do you guys think? Is she telling the truth, or a higher one actually does suit me? But it was a very different look, and I really liked it. I didn't think I was going to like it. I kept telling her, "Are you sure we're going to make it high?" But when I went to look at myself in the mirror when she was done, I was like, "Oh my god! Oh no no no! This hair was crazy. It was lit, man." Like, guys, we were gisting and jamming to music the whole of the session. So now she's pretty much taking off the scarf after she let it stay like that for a little while. Now she's just taking care of the baby hairs. I love the way Queen does her baby hairs. That was one thing that drew me to her, that I was like, I'm going to go and learn from her. I don't like those over exaggerated huge baby hairs that people do. Tell me, guys, am I the only one that thinks that way? Do you guys hate it like I do? Because I really hate it. Like, not to say like I hate it. It's so ugly looking and so unrealistic. So the way she does her baby hairs, I don't know, you guys should just look at it, but it's not the normal over exaggerated baby hairs, and I really like that about her work. So that's pretty much the end of this video. Guys, are you seeing what's going on over here? Let me come a bit closer for you guys to see. Guys, look at my hair. Queenette just shaved his hair to perfection. See, I'm not you guys mate right now. Like, alright guys, so this is the finished look. I am living for this hair right now. Like, Queenette slayed this hair, man. I can't wait for when I'll be able to slay frontal like this. So, like, really, gosh, I love you, baby girl. I'm going to leave all Queenette's social media handles, Instagram. Okay, on Snapchat. Are you on Twitter? No, I Are you on Twitter?
No, I'm not, my love. I'm not on Twitter.
I'm going to leave her Instagram, Snapchat, handle, everything in the description box down below. She's based in Lagos, so if you're interested in getting your hair slayed like this, be sure to hit her up. I hope you guys enjoyed this video because I really enjoyed filming it, and I can't wait to slay this hair. Don't worry, guys. I'm about to take some lip pictures right now, and I'm sure you guys are going to see it in the thumbnail. Come and tell them to like, subscribe.
Okay, hi guys. So you guys like, subscribe, and what do you do?
Drop a comment. Drop a comment. Bye, guys.
Bye, guys.
Tell me, how can you make it past the Casper so we can finally fly up into NASA? You was always the cheerleader of my dreams. It seemed the only thing that had the football team, and I was the class clown. Always kept you laughing. We were never meant to be, baby. It just happened. So please don't mess up the treat. Hey, young world, I'm the new speaker. If they say I move too quick, but we can let this moment pass. Right into ashes. Right before my classes. Right before my classes. How can the others act like what's on the average rolling by 4G? You listen to that. What was me, baby? This is tragic. We had it. We was magic. I was flying. Now I'm crashing. This is bad, real bad. Michael Jackson. Nah, man, real mad. Joe Jackson. You should leave your boyfriend now. I'ma ask you. Woo! Oh shit, rapper in the building.